Welcome to my channel Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video special, how to make Bhakta Kannappa in a quilling model, tribal people. So without any delay, let's get started. Now join 10 mm 120 strips. Here I am using A4 size papers for making Lord Shivalinga, and make a dome shape and apply glue. Apply more glue and spread it neatly overall without any gaps. Let it dry for some time. After drying, now again join 5 mm 25 strips and make a tight coil and apply glue on both sides. Let it dry for some time. After drying, it will be like this. Now again join 10 mm 100 strips and make a small dome. It should be little bit small compared to other dome. Now make a small join 10 mm 3 strips and make a tight coil of teardrop shape like this and attach on the side of this dome like this, and take a 10 mm paper strip and attach like this to give a lingam shape. Apply one by one. Now upper part is ready. Now apply glue and connect to the another dome like this. Now join 5 mm 15 strips of each tight coil. Make total 5 tight coils, and one should be small dome shape like this, and apply glue to all the tight coils and spread the glue neatly with the help of brush, so it cannot be removed. Apply neatly to all the coils. After drying, connect the domes one by one as shown in the video like this. Here I am making Lord Shivalinga. Apply one by one tight coil. Here I am making Linga. Shivratri special video. Here I am making Bhakta Kannappa concept. Connect one by one like this. Let it dry for some time. After drying, take a piece of paper and apply glue neatly. Now cover the coils like this to cover the lines. Like here I am covering with the paper. Connect neatly without any gaps. Now cut the excess. Now connect the linga in the middle. Apply glue neatly and connect in the middle of the dome like this. Let it dry for some time. Now Lord Shivalinga is ready. Now take a black color acrylic paint and color neatly. Spread the paint neatly, and I have painted eyes as to the concept of Bhakta Kannappa. Here eyes are main. Now here I have made Vilvapatra with the help of punching machine, leaf punching machine. I have made the small Vilvapatra leaves, and I have made small flowers also. Now connect flowers on the head of the Lord Shivalinga to give a nice look. Now join 10 mm 30 strips and make a tight coil. Now again join 5 mm 25 strips and make a tight coil. Now join 10 mm 5 strips and make a legs. Here I am making legs for Bhakta Kannappa, and make a bigger leg. It will be the bigger leg. Now I have made a small one, and here I join 10 mm 3 strips only for second one. Now connect again, join 5 strips and make a tight coil and connect on the upper part of the coil like this. Now apply glue inside the cones and spread neatly with the help of brush. Let it dry for some time. After drying, now join 5 mm 1 strip of cream color and connect like this. Here I am making foot. Now join 3 mm 2 strips for each tight coil and make total 2 tight coils and connect it like a legs as shown in the video. Now apply glue and connect the first leg like this as shown in the video. Here I am making Bhakta Kannappa doll. Now take back the coil and apply glue and connect like this. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. Now take the second leg and connect a small cone to the big cone like this in a cross shape. Now connect the tight coil of cream color like this. It should be reached to the Lord Shivalinga eyes. Like this I have connected tight coil on the upper part. Now in the cross mode, apply glue neatly on the middle part of the leg and connect as shown in the video like this. It should be in a cross mode, one leg. The leg has to reach the Lord Shivalinga eyes. Now connect the second foot for another leg also. Now legs are ready. Now apply glue and connect to the base tight coil like this. It will take some time. Let it dry for some time. Now again join 5 mm 25 strips and make a tight coil. Here I am making base body of Bhakta Kannappa and make a deeper dome as shown in the video. Apply glue neatly inside the dome and spread it neatly with the help of brush. Here I am making Bhakta Kannappa concept. I have attached one by one to give a doty look. Attach strip one by one like this. You can watch my previous video how to make this clearly. Now after drying the dome, apply glue on the base tight coil and connect the dome. Now connect the neck. For neck I have joined 5 mm 2 strips and connect to the dome. I have taken yellow color paper and I have attached small black color strips to give a tiger skin look. And here I am making costume for the Bhakta Kannappa like this. Just I have used color papers. Now again join 5 mm 10 strips of black color tight coil and skin color tight coil and make a smaller dome and bigger dome like this. It will be the face for Bhakta Kannappa. Now take a black color paper and connect in like this style to give a nice hair look. Now connect the nose and ears to the face as shown in the video to give a face. Now I have added facial expressions on the face. Now connect hair to the Bhakta Kannappa on the back side of the face. Here Bhakta Kannappa donating eyes to the Lord Shiva. Now decorate the hair with like this ornaments. Now connect face to the base idol like this. Now face is ready almost. Now join 5 mm 2 strips and make a tight coil. Here I am making hands. Now again join 5 mm 2 strips and make a tight coil. Now make a little bit bigger and connect one by one like this. Now apply glue and connect hands to the base idol as shown in the video. You have to connect the hands as shown in the video like this in this position. Here Bhakta Kannappa donating eyes to the Lord Shiva. Here I am making arrow. Take a matchstick and attach paper like this and cut in a arrow shape like this on both sides. Now I have decorated with pink color paper like this. Now connect arrow on in the hands of the Bhakta Kannappa like this. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. After drying, join 3 mm 2 strips for making hands and connect the 2 hands. Now join 5 mm 3 strips and make a dome shape. Now apply glue and spread it neatly. Now connect the arrows one by one like this. Now arrows are ready. Now here I am making bow for Bhakta Kannappa. Attach one by one and make it tight and give in a bow look. And connect 2 mm paper strip like this. It will be look like a thread for bow. And cut the excess. Now bow and arrows are ready. Now join 3 mm 35 strips and make a plate. Now again join 3 mm 4 strips and make a dome shape. And again make 5 mm 4 strips like this and make a tight coil in the middle. Now connect 2 domes to the tight coil like this. Here I am making deer. Now join 3 mm 2 strips and make a dome shape. It will be the face for deer and connect small ears to the deer like this. Now join 5 mm 1 strip for making legs for the deer like this. Connect the 4 legs. Now connect the face of the deer like this. Now connect the arrow on the deer like this. Now flesh is ready. Flowers are also ready. Flowers, fruits. You can watch my previous videos. I will give link in my description box for making this. And I have decorated a Lord Shivalinga with fabric liner, fabric golden liner to give a more design look to Lord Shivalinga. Is it looking super cute? And I have decorated the Bhakta Kannappa with tiger jewelry, tiger skin color jewelry to give a tribal look neatly. It is looking super cute. Now Bhakta Kannappa donating ice to the Lord Shiva. Concept is ready. Shivratri special video. It is very beautiful and super cute. Hope you all enjoy my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. And thank you friends. See you in the next video.